Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Location services must be on and set to precise or high accuracy so Google can use GPS plus Wi-Fi and cell towers. Once done, open Google Maps while signed into the account you want fixed. That ensures history and preferences align. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are active and briefly toggle Bluetooth. Those signals refine the fix. Now proceed to the app's location indicator and follow the next steps to force a recalculation. Next, force Google Maps to recalculate. Tap the blue dot and select calibration or improve accuracy when available. This prompts an immediate location refresh. You should physically move your phone in a slow figure 8 to recalibrate the compass and let GPS get new satellite fixes. If past erroneous points persist, clear Maps cache and, if needed, delete recent location history that conflicts with reality. Make sure to wait for a steady GPS lock, multiple satellites, before proceeding to pin or save the corrected spot. Finally, lock in your corrected position by dropping a pin on the accurate spot, tapping the address card, and choosing Save or Label so the app uses it later. If you still see a wrong location, reboot the device or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. That often clears stuck readings. Make sure the Maps app is updated, and if errors persist, reinstall it. If nothing helps, report a location problem through Maps so Google receives diagnostic data for further fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.